Welcome to Coco Mo Kids TV. Hello, friends. Let's play in the garden and see surprise eggs. The animal bear tapped the egg. Tap, 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 crack. Out came brew water. A blue, blue, yay, hooray. The animal cat tapped the egg. Tip, tap, tip, crack. Out came pink water. White, pink, pink, yay, hooray. The animal fox tapped the egg. Tap, 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 crack. Out came red water. Red, 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 yay, hooray. The animal bunny tapped the egg. Tip, tap, tip, crack. Out came yellow water. Red, yellow, yellow, yay, hooray. The animal frog tapped the egg. Tap, 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 crack. Out came green water. Green, green, yay, hooray. See the animal dog tap the egg. Tip, tap, tip, crack. Out came orange water. Orange, orange, yay, hooray. The animal monkey tapped the egg. Tip, tap, tip, crack. Out came brown water and brown, brown, yay, hooray. The animal unicorn tapped the egg. Tap, 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 crack. Out came light blue water. Light blue, yay, hooray. The animal chick tapped the egg. Tip, tap, tip, crack. Out came light pink water. Light pink, yay, hooray. The animal turtle tapped the egg. Tip, tap, tip, crack. Out came gold water. Gold, yay, hooray. Wow! 12 colors in the garden. Thank you for playing with us at Coco Mo Kids TV.